Okay, here it is, F-14. It's mode 1.
Flight mode 2.
That's with spoilers. You can see if I get down here a little closer. They don't go down. Now, oops.
Flight mode 3.
Flaps. And here we go.
Flight mode 5.
And notice the flaps go back up, no matter what kind of mode they're in.
Flight mode 1. Flight mode 2.
If I come back out, extend. There we go. And then we got, that's just a little bit there. The last that I got left is landing gear. I have a problem with my front landing gear. I'll do side view so you can see. Okay, flight mode 1 is just elevons. Flight mode 2 is spoilers. Flight mode 3, flaps. And then no matter what mode I have it in, I'll do this. No matter what mode, if I sweep the wings back, you can see the flaps came up. They're now level. Now it's just elevons. And you can see the flaps going back down because I left it in flight mode 4 or 3. There we go. So that's it. It's all ready to go, minus the front landing gear. Then it's ready for oh, and the pilots. I got to get pilots. So that's it. Let's see here. See if we can get a good picture of that. F-14 Tomcat.